Ang cute, di ba guys? So for those of you out there na nag-iisip ng birthday gift or if you got someone na malapit ng mag-birthday and you've been thinking of ways how to make it unique and special, what if ito na lang guys? So look at that ha, hindi lang siya basta flat na card, it pops up into an amazing 3D design at alam mo yung feeling na pagod ka na sa paulit-ulit na gift ideas like mug siguro or basic chocolates. I really wanted to step up my game this time for someone special and honestly, making an effort with someone creative like this, it's different. It shows na parang pinag-isipan mo talaga yung birthday niya. And of course, di ba, yung pinaka-cool na part niya, meron siya kasamang music. So the moment you open it, ay sila pala, the moment they open it, super personalized lang yung vibe, di ba? It creates this instant memory na hindi lang basta itatabi sa drawer ang gift na to. So if you want to show your love and appreciation in a way na unique at tatatak talaga sa kanila, why don't you try something as interactive as this guys? Sobrang simple lang niya pero para sa akin ang laki ng impact. May card din siyang kasama ha where you can write your heartfelt message to the birthday celebrant and also may envelope din siyang kasama para mas presentable. So if you want to get this one, I got the link down below.